we guide you through how to set up Zoho Books from scratch. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Zoho Books website and sign up or log in your Zoho account. Select your organization's country and enter your business details, including the organization, name, business type, and industry. Next, choose your base currency and financial year, then save your settings. Go to Settings and complete your organization profile by adding your business address, contact information, and tax details if required. Next, open the chart of accounts and review the default accounts, adding or editing accounts to match your business needs. Then configure your taxes, payment, gateways, and preferred payment methods. Under Invoices, customize your invoice template with your logo, business information, payment terms, and preferred format. You can also connect your bank account to automatically import and categorize transactions.